Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the InstaReader app. So this is a new update of the app. If you have already used InstaReader and just want to know what's new in this update, there is another video for that. The link for that video is in the description. If you are new to InstaReader, in this video I am going to talk about what is InstaReader app and how you can use that. Using InstaReader, you can convert any PDF files, text files, or even books into audiobooks. It is very simple. You just need to upload a PDF file or text file. If you have a book, you just need to take photo of that book and upload that in the InstaReader app. It will automatically get converted into an audiobook. This audiobooks will be permanently stored in the app and you can listen to it as many times as you want. So let's see how we can create our own audiobooks and listen to them using InstaReader app. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use InstaReader app along with TalkBack. There is also another video without using TalkBack. The link for that video is in the description. So now let's get started with the video. I open the InstaReader app. The first screen you will get is the home screen.
Home heading.
Here there will be 4 options: to create audiobooks, to read audiobooks, to provide feedback, and how to use. I will swipe through each of the options now.
Selected Create Audiobook. Double tap to convert images PDF and text to audio. Selected Read Audiobooks. Double tap to listen to your audiobooks. Selected Provide Feedback. Double tap to tell us how we can improve the app. Selected How to Use. Double tap to learn how to use InstaReader app.
So these are the 4 options that are available. First, let's see how we can create an audiobook. For that, I'm going to select Create Audiobook button.
Selected Create Audiobook. Double tap to convert images PDF and text to audio.
So I'm going to select this.
Create Audiobook. Back button.
So now I'm
Double tap to activate.
Create Audiobook screen. Here there will be 4 options: to upload PDF, to upload text file, to upload images, and to take photo. I will swipe through each of the options. I'm going to swipe right.
Create Audiobook heading. Learn how to create audiobook button.
So this is
Double tap to watch video.
Additional button. If you click on that, it will directly take you to the tutorial video where Create Audiobook feature is being explained. If you swipe right from there,
Upload PDF file button. Upload text file button. Upload images button. Take photo button.
so this 4
Double tap to activate.
4 options are available. First, let's see how we can convert a PDF file into an audiobook. For that, I'm going to select the Upload PDF file button.
Upload images button. Upload text file button. Upload PDF file. Lang documents. Show routes button.
So
Double tap to activate.
I selected the Upload PDF file button. Next, it has opened the file manager for me. From here, you can choose a PDF which you want to convert into an audiobook. I have a demo PDF with me. I'm going to search for that.
Drop search. Search edit box. E M O P D F. Demo PDF.pdf Jul 1582.7.
So I got the demo PDF which I want to upload. So I'm going to select that.
Back button. Double tap to activate.
So the PDF file got uploaded and we are in the enter audiobook name screen. Here you have to enter a name for your audiobook. You can give it any name as you want, just for a remembering purposes. So I'm going to swipe right.
Enter audiobook name heading. Enter audiobook name edit box.
So that is this edit
Double
box.
tap to edit text.
I'm going to select that.
Showing English UK QWERTY keyboard.
So it has opened the keyboard. I'm going to enter the name.
D M O.
So I have named it as demo. I'm going to swipe right.
Next
There
button.
is a next button. I'm going to select that.
Features. Back button. Double tap to activate.
So we got the next screen, which is the language selection screen. If you swipe right,
Select uploaded file language heading.
it will ask you to select the language of the uploaded file. There are like 6 languages that are currently supported in InstaReader. I will swipe through each of the languages.
Not checked English radio button. Not checked Tamil radio button. Not checked Hindi radio button. Not checked Marathi radio button. Not checked Telugu radio button. Not checked Kannada radio button.
So
Double tap to toggle.
these 6 languages are currently supported in InstaReader. In future updates, we'll be bringing in more languages. So the PDF file that I uploaded was in English. So I'm going to choose English here.
Not checked English radio button. Double tap to toggle.
So once I double tap on this English language, it will start creating our audiobook for us. So I'm going to select that.
Processing page 1. 3 more pages remaining.
So the PDF that I uploaded had 4 pages. So it will start processing
Processing
each
page
page
2.
one by one.
2 more pages remaining.
You will get this audio also on what the current
Processing
page that
page
is being
3.
processed.
1 more pages
You can
remaining.
also use TalkBack to see which pages it is currently processed.
Processing page 3. 1 more pages
You
remaining.
can
Image.
swipe
Processing
left and
page
right.
4.
You will
Audiobook
also get
processing
which page is
completed.
being processed. So now the audiobook processing has completed. Next we are in the My Audiobook screen.
Back button. Double tap to act. My audiobooks heading.
So all the audiobooks which are created by you will be listed out in this My Audiobooks screen. And now let's listen to the demo audiobook we have created. So I'm going to swipe right.
Search for audiobooks button. Create audiobooks button. Learn how to read audiobooks button. Demo. Double tap to read audiobook.
So the demo audiobook is available here. So I'm going to select that.
Demo page 1. Back button. Double tap to activate.
So now it has opened the demo audiobook for us. Here there are various options. You can play the audiobook. You can forward or rewind the audio. You can adjust the audio speed. You can make it faster or slower. You can change the voice. You can move between pages. All these options are available. Let's go through each option one by one. First, let's see how we can play the audio. So I'm going to swipe right.
Demo page 1 heading. Learn about various options in listening audiobooks button. Change voice button. Play button.
The play
Double
button
tap
is
to activate.
available here. I'm going to select that to start listening to the audiobook.
By the editor. Not the least historic of the ancient
the
nations of
audiobook
Thay.
started playing.
East is T
I'm
and
going to
Dia
swipe
even
right.
when
11% forward or rewind audio.
So when I swipe right, the audiobook stopped playing automatically. So for this demo, I'm using Google TTS for my TalkBack. So if you are using Google TTS for your TalkBack, then if you just swipe left or right on the screen, the audiobook will stop playing automatically. To start listening to the audiobook, again you can click on the play button. If you are using any other TalkBack other than Google TTS, for example eSpeak for your TalkBack, then if you swipe left or right on the screen, the audiobook will not stop playing automatically. Instead, while the audiobook is playing, the play button will be replaced by pause button. You can click on the pause button to stop listening to the audiobook. So the next control is, while you swipe right from play button,
Play 11% forward or rewind audio. Seek control.
so there is forward or
Use
rewind
volume
audio
keys to
seek
adjust.
control. Need to use volume keys. If you click on the volume up button, it will forward the audio. If you click on the volume down button, it will rewind the audio. So first I will click on the volume up button multiple times.
24% forward or rewind audio. Seek control. 33% forward or rewind audio. Seek control. 38% forward or rewind audio. Seek control. 43% forward or rewind audio. Seek control.
So I have set to 43%. Then I'm going to click on the play button.
Play button.
2. This very century, so that he who will may follow its development through the early
52% forward or rewind.
So it has started reading out from the forwarded position. Similarly, if you click on the volume down button, it will rewind the audio.
47% forward or rewind audio. 13% forward or rewind audio. Seek control. Play button.
So I have
Double tap to activate.
rewinded the audio and I'm going to click on the play button.
As China and its annals, or Assyria and Babylonia with their cuneiform tablets owed their island. Does Tiandia's earliest
So it has rewinded the audio, and if you swipe right from here,
Next. Page button. Double tap to activate.
so there is a next. If you click on that, it will load the next page. And the other thing is, while you are listening to a particular page and you have completed listening to that, it will automatically load the next page for you. But if in case you want to move to the next page before completing the current page, you can click on this next page button.
Introduction. Complete picture of the development of the country, whose teeming millions are now under the scepter of
So it has loaded the next page and it is reading out for us. And if you swipe right from the next page button,
Previous. Page button. Double tap to activate.
there is this previous page button. Similarly, if you click on that, it will load the previous page for us. So I'm going to click that.
Introduction by the editor. Not the least historic of the ancient nations of Thay. East is T and Dia even when compared with Egypt and
Next.
So It has loaded the previous page for us and it is reading out for. So now if you swipe right from the previous page button,
48% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. Use volume keys to adjust.
so there is an increase or reduce audio speed seek control. Here also you have to use the volume keys. If you click on the volume up button, it will increase the audio speed. If you click on the volume down button, it will reduce the audio speed. So I'm going to make this speed faster. So I'm going to click on the volume up button.
53% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. 68% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. 83% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. 88% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. Previous. Neck. 12. Play button.
So I have set
Double tap to
88%.
activate.
Now I'm going to play the audio.
Its monuments, China and its annals, or Assyrian. Babylonia with their cuneiform tablets owed their island. Does Tiandia's earliest records.
20. Neck. 88%.
As you saw, it is reading out faster. Similarly, if you click on the volume down button, it will reduce the audio speed.
83% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. 68% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. 53% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. 38% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control. Previous. Next. 20. Play button.
So now I have
Double tap
reduced
to activate.
the audio speed and I'm going to play the audio.
Literature have been inscribed in the hearts of the people for more than 3,000 years, and from that remote age, its history.
So it has reduced the audio speed for us. And then if you swipe right from the adjust audio speed,
33% increase or reduce audio speed. Seek control.
so
Use volume keys to.
so if you swipe right from this increase or reduce audio speed,
This is page 1 out of 4 pages. Click to enter a page number button. Double tap to activate.
so it says this is page 1 out of 4 pages. So we are currently in the first page and the total number of pages in this audiobook is 4. So if you click on that, it will ask you to enter a page number. So let's say your audiobook has 100 pages and you want to read the 90th page. In that case, you need not click the next page button multiple times. You can just enter the page number here. It will automatically load that page. Since this PDF has, since this audiobook has only 4 pages, I'm going to enter the page number as 3. So first let me select that.
Editing. Enter page number. Edit box. InstaReader. Edit options available. Use swipe up then right to view.
So it has opened the edit box and the keyboard is also open here. And I'm going to enter the page number as 3.
3.
I'm going to swipe right.
OK button.
So
Double tap to
I'm
activate.
going to select OK from here.
Dial keyboard hidden.
Introduction K1. Land's triumph are thoroughly treated in the volumes. Originally prepared by
Back. Demo page 3.
So it has loaded the page 3 and it is reading out for us. The last option that is available is the change voice option. So if you swipe right from this heading,
Learn about various options in change voice button.
so
Double
there
tap
is
to
this,
activate.
change voice button. If you select that,
Select voice for English. Back button. Double tap to activate.
so now we are in the voice selection screen. Here multiple voices will be listed out. You can just select a voice and start reading the audiobook in that voice. So I'm going to swipe right.
Select voice for English heading. ENGBX GBA local. Double tap to select voice.
So ENGBX GBA local is the name of the voice. If you select on that, it will start reading the audiobook in that voice. So I'm going to double tap.
Ancient times to the 17th century, selected by the editor from Greek, Chinese, Persian, and Arabic sources.
ENGBX
So
GBB
this is
network.
not the
Double tap to select
only voice
voice.
that is available. If you swipe right,
ENGBX FIS hash female underscore 1 dash local. Double tap to select voice.
if you swipe right, there will be multiple voices listed out. You can just select a voice and start listening the audiobook in that voice. So once you have selected the voice, you can click on the back button to go to the previous screen, or you can do the gesture for going back, which is swipe down and swipe left.
Demo page 3. Back button. Double tap to activate.
So now we are back to the listening audiobook screen. And if you play the audiobook now,
Play button.
And from the accounts of the earliest European travelers,
it will start reading the audiobook in the voice which we selected. So these are the various options that are available while listening an audiobook. So another point to note down here is while you are listening an audiobook, you stop listening and while you come back to listen the same audiobook, it exactly starts off from where you left off. For example, let's say you were reading the third page and you stopped listening to that audiobook and you close the InstaReader app. While you come back and open the same audiobook, it will start from the third page. It doesn't start from the beginning. So this is all about listening to an audiobook. Now let's go back to the Create Audiobook screen.
Double tap to activate. Create audiobook heading.
So now we are back in the Create Audiobook screen. So now we saw how to upload a PDF file and convert that into an audiobook. So instead of uploading files from within the app, so from this Create Audiobook screen, you can also like share files to the InstaReader app. So I have a PDF file open in my mobile phone. I'm going to share that PDF file to the InstaReader app. So let me first exit from the InstaReader app.
Overview button. Drive demo PDF. Demo PDF.pdf. Drive.
So I have opened a demo PDF here. From here I'm going to share this PDF to the InstaReader app.
Find. Double tap to add to drive. More options button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Pop-up window. Send file 1 of 5 in list 5 items. Double tap to activate.
So if I click on the send file,
Send file demo PDF.pdf wire. InstaReader, WhatsApp, save to drive, send with files app.
so multiple applications will be listed here. From this applications you have to choose InstaReader.
InstaReader. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
So instead of sharing PDF files, you can also share text files. You can also share photos to the InstaReader app. It will automatically get uploaded. So I'm going to choose InstaReader.
Enter audiobook name. Enter audiobook name edit box. Edit options available. Use swipe up then right to view.
So now we are in the enter audiobook name. If I double tap on this edit box, the keyboard will be open and you can enter the audiobook name and you can select the language. The audiobook will be generated for you. So since I have already demonstrated it, I'm going to exit from this section. We are back in the Create Audiobook screen. So next let's see how we can convert text files into audiobooks. So I'm going to swipe right.
Create, learn, upload PDF file, upload text file button.
So I'm going to select this
Double
upload
tap to
text file
activate.
button.
Lang documents. Show routes button.
It has opened the file manager. From here I'm going to select a text file.
Drop. More option. Hindi.txt or 29, 5.17 KB, plain text.
So there is a hindi.txt file. I'm going to select that.
InstaReader. Editing, enter audiobook name, edit box. Edit options available. Use swipe up.
So next, the file got uploaded. So next it will ask you to enter the name for your audiobook. I'm just going to name it as Hindi.
Hindi demo. More.
So I have entered it as Hindi demo. If I swipe right,
Next button. Double tap to
so there will
activate.
be a next button. If I click on that, the audiobook will be created. For text files, it will not ask you to select the language. The language will be automatically deducted. So I'm going to click on next.
My audiobooks heading.
So the audiobook got generated and we are in the My Audiobook screen. So this is how you convert text files into audiobooks. Next let's see how we can convert images or take photo of a book and convert that into an audiobook. So from this My Audiobook screen, I'm going to go back to the Create Audiobook screen. So I'm going to swipe right.
Search for audiobooks button. Create audiobooks button.
So there is this Create
Double
Audiobook
tap to
button. If I
create
click
audio.
on that,
Create audiobook. Back
so we
button.
are in the Create Audiobook
Double tap
screen.
to activate.
So I'm going to swipe right.
Create, learn, upload text file, upload images button.
So there is this Upload
Double
Images
tap to
button.
activate.
I'm going to select that.
Lang documents. Show routes button.
So once I selected
Double tap to
Upload
activate.
Images, it has opened the file manager. From here you can choose a photo which you want to upload. It is very similar how you uploaded a PDF or text file. Since I have already demonstrated it, I'm going to exit from here.
Documents. 1+6. InstaReader. Back button. Create audiobook heading.
So the last option that is available is take photo. So I have a Tamil book with me here. So I'm going to convert that into an audiobook by taking photo. So I'm going to swipe right.
Learn, take photo button. Double tap to activate.
So I'm going to click on the take photo button.
Take a picture. Back button.
So I have
Double
a book
tap to activate.
in front of me, and I have placed my phone on top of that book. The camera is also open. So we are in the take a picture screen. Here the camera is open and there will be a take photo button. If you click on that button, you can take the photo. So the app doesn't guide you to properly take the photo. We are working on a feature where the app can guide you to properly take the photo, but that feature is not available in this update. So you can take help from someone to take the photo. So before taking photo, make sure you have a good lighting. It should not be too dark, and also make sure the page is as flat as possible. It should not be bent. So I'm going to swipe right.
Take a picture heading. Learn about taking picture button. Take photo button.
So there is this
Double
take
tap
photo
to take
button,
photo.
and I'm going to take photo of this page.
Upload photos. Back button.
So the
Double
photo
tap
got
to
uploaded,
activate.
and we are in the upload photo screen. So if I swipe right,
Upload photos heading. Learn how to upload photos button. Uploaded images shown here. Image.
it says uploaded image is shown here. So if I swipe right from there,
Add next. Page button.
so there is a add
Double
next
tap to
page
activate.
button. So if you want to add next page of your book, you can select this add next page button.
Dialog. Take photo. Double tap to activate.
So there will be, it will open a dialog. So and there will be two options. The first one is take photo.
Take photo. Double tap to
If
activate.
you swipe right from there,
Upload images. Double tap to
so
activate.
there will be two options, take photo and upload images. So I would like to take photo. So I'm going to select take photo here.
Take photo. Double tap to take a picture. Take photo button.
So again,
Double tap to take
it will
photo.
open the camera. I'm going to take photo of the next page.
Take photo. Upload photos. Add next. Page button.
So
Double tap to
the
activate.
second page is also uploaded now. For demo purposes, I'm stopping with 2 pages. You can add as many pages as you want. So if you swipe right from add next page button,
Save audio. Book button.
so once you
Double
have,
tap to activate.
uploaded all the pages you want to convert into an audiobook, you can click on the save audiobook button. So I'm going to select that.
Enter audiobook name edit box. InstaReader.
It'll
Edit
ask
options
you,
available. You swipe up then right to view.
So it will ask you to enter a name for your audiobook. As before, you have to enter a name for your audiobook. You need to select the language. The audiobook will be generated for you. So since I have already demonstrated it, I'm going to exit from here.
Character. Home. Selected create audiobook. Double tap to convert images PDF and text to
now,
audio.
we saw how to convert PDF files, text files, or photos of the book into audiobooks. So I'm in the home screen now.
Home heading. Selected create audiobook. Selected read audiobooks.
So if
Double
I
tap to listen to
swipe
your
right
audiobooks.
from create audiobooks, there is this read audiobooks button. If I select that,
Back. My audiobooks heading.
it will take you to the My Audiobooks screen. We have already explored most of the options in this screen, but there are 2 more options. You can search for your audiobooks, you can delete your audiobooks. So I'm going to demonstrate that. So if I swipe right from this heading,
Search for audiobooks button.
there is a search for audiobooks
Double
button.
tap to activate.
So I'm going to select that.
InstaReader. Editing. Search edit box heading. Edit options available. You swipe up then right to view.
So it will open an edit box. Here you can enter your audiobook name. The keyboard will also be open. You need not enter the full name. A part of the name is enough. So just I'm going to enter as H.
I.
I have entered as HI. If I swipe right,
Clear search text
there is a
button.
clear search.
Hindi demo. Double tap to
So
read
the Hindi
audiobook.
demo book has been listed. So any audiobook name which has the text you have typed will be listed here. You can select that and start reading. So I'm going to exit from this search. So I'm going to swipe left.
Clear search text button. Editing. Hi. Search. Exit button.
So there is this exit
Double tap
button.
to exit from
So I'm
searching
going
for
to select that.
audiobooks. Open feature. Back. My audiobooks heading.
So I'm back in the My Audiobook screen. Here, if you swipe right,
Search for audiobooks button. Create audiobook. Learn how to read audio. Hindi demo.
so there is
Double
this
tap to read
Hindi
audiobook.
demo audiobook. If I swipe right,
Delete Hindi demo audiobook button.
it says
Double tap to delete audiobook.
Hindi demo audiobook. Double tap to delete audiobook. So if I swipe right,
Demo. Double tap to read
so there
audiobook.
is this demo audiobook which we first created. And also if I swipe right,
Delete demo audiobook button. Double tap to
so
delete
it says
audiobook.
delete demo audio. For every audiobook there will be a delete button. So if you click on that, the audiobook will be deleted. So I'm going to select this delete button.
Confirm. Do you want to delete demo book?
It'll ask you to confirm whether do you want to delete a demo book. If you have unknowingly clicked on that button, you can click on no.
Confirm. Yes but no button.
So there is a no button.
Double tap
so
to
in
activate.
this case, I want to delete this audiobook, so I'm going to click on yes.
Yes button. My audiobook. My audio. Create. Learn. Hindi demo. Delete.
So as you can see, the demo audiobook has been deleted. Only the Hindi demo audiobook is available now. So this is how you delete your audiobooks. So I'm going to go back to the home screen.
Back. Home heading.
So now we are in the home screen of the app. We saw how to create our own audiobooks and how to read the audiobooks we have created. The third option that is available is provide feedback. So I'm going to swipe right.
Selected create audiobook. Selected read audiobook. Selected provide feedback. Double tap to tell us how we can improve the app.
So if you, after using the app, if you have any suggestions that some features of the app can be improved, you can definitely provide your feedback. Please take few minutes and provide your feedback. This will definitely help us to improve the app. So I'm going to select this provide feedback button.
Selected. 5% progress bar. Chrome. 22%. Chrome. Instareader feedback web view.
So
Error and valid entry.
It has opened the Chrome browser for me. From here, if you swipe right,
Home. Up. Instareader feedback web view.
so there will be this Instareader feedback web view. Here we will be asking 3 questions like what do you like about the app, what do you dislike about the app, and how we can improve the app. Please take few minutes and provide your suggestions. If you swipe right,
Edit this form. Instareader feedback.
so there will be
Heading 1.
Instareader feedback heading.
Your feedback is very important to us. Please tell us what you like and dislike about the app. This will help us to improve better.
So there is a description. If you swipe right from there,
What do you like about the app? Required question. Heading 3. Required question. Error and valid entry.
so the first question is what do you like about the app. If you swipe right from there,
Edit box. Error and valid entry. What do you like about the app? Required question.
so there is
Error
a
and valid
edit
entry.
box. If I select that,
Alert. This is a required question. This is a
keyboard will
required
be
question.
open.
Showing English UK QWERTY keyboard.
the keyboard will be open and you can type about what do you like about the app. So after typing, if you swipe right,
This is a what do you dislike about the app? Required question.
so there
Heading
will be
3. Required
a question
question.
about what do you dislike about the app. So similarly, you can provide your answer for that. If you swipe right from there,
Editing. Edit box. Error and valid. How can we improve the app? Required question.
so there will be a
Heading 3.
question about
Required question.
how we
Error
can.
and valid entry.
So there will be a question about how we can improve the app. So if you swipe right, you can give the answer for that.
Showing English UK QWERTY keyboard. Editing. Edit box. Error and valid entry. How can we
So if you swipe right from there, it will ask you for email ID.
Email ID. Required question. Heading 3. Required question.
So if you swipe right, you
Editing.
can give
Edit
your
box.
answer.
Error and valid entry. Email ID. Required question. Edit options available. Use swipe up then right to view.
Then it will ask you for your mobile number and name. It is very optional. You can choose to provide it or not. So at the last there will be a submit button.
Your submit button.
So if you click on the submit button, your feedback will be sent to us. So this is all about providing feedback. So I'm going to exit from here.
Home screen. Instareader. Home heading.
So I'm back to the Instareader app. So the last option that is available is how to use. If you click on that,
Selected how to use. Double tap to learn how to use Instareader app.
so if you click on this, it will directly take you to this tutorial video and you can watch it as many times as you want. So this is all about using the Instareader app. If you have any further questions or doubts, please leave it as a comment below and we will clarify those questions. Thanks for watching.